It's a novelty back at you again. Today I'm making a little breakfast. We have some local hot dog from, I live in Wisconsin, so this is a cheddar bratwurst, or hot dog, I don't know what you call it, but then we got some mushroom, garlic, bell pepper, and I put a little olive oil in there, and some water just to like get it to steam. And then, last but not least, add a little spotted cow.
Yeah, so basically I'm gonna steam this until it's done, and then I'm gonna add 2 eggs to it. I got some local eggs. It's called Humpty Dumpty eggs. They're pretty good. Usually eggs, like, try to buy local as possible, or at least like something a little bit better than just the generic caged, because like I read something online where it said like the ones that are generic, or like those chickens, like basically their whole lives they're just in a cage, and the eggs they produce don't really have a whole lot of nutritional value. So I think it's called pasture raised or something like that. I'm not an expert on this, but just don't buy, like, you know, if you go to like Pick and Save and you just buy like the generic eggs, I mean, they're still gonna give you like some nutritional value, like there's still like B vitamins and protein in them, but you're not gonna get like the egg yolk should be like golden colored. If you're seeing a really light yellow colored yolk, that means that chicken wasn't very the chicken was malnourished. So yeah, I'm gonna cook this up here, and I will get back to you in a bit, let you know how it turns out. Yeah, I'm gonna let this cook, and then I'm gonna add the eggs to it. Oh, and by the way, peppers, they have surprisingly a huge amount of vitamin C in them, like more than some fruits, but no one tells you that. All right, be right back. All right, so I let this simmer for a while, a little bit longer than I wanted to, but I was on the phone with some friends. So what I'm gonna do is dump this water out, and then I'm going to put it in a separate bowl, and then I'm gonna fry up some eggs, and then I'm gonna add all this together with the eggs. So this is what it looks like. I still gotta add the eggs, but this stuff is so good. It's called, hold on. Salmon's Meat Products, Luxembourg, Wisconsin. These are the jumbo cheese wieners. Yeah, it's pretty good. So right now I'm gonna fry these eggs. Hope everyone's having a good summer. Leave a comment in the comments. What are you doing for the 4th of July? So we got the eggs here. Cracked them both with one hand and didn't get any shell in there. I'm pretty impressed with myself. So I like to, well, for this one I think I'm gonna scramble. Or what should I do? I think I'm just gonna go sunny side up, maybe, because I like a little egg yolk to be into the mix. I never did an eggs video yet. So eggs, like, all you have to do is make sure you use butter, number 1. Number 2, get yourself a nice pan like this. This one's perfect for eggs because it's like, you know, the size of a small plate. literally all you have to do is let this just cook for probably 7 minutes. Depends on, I put it on medium heat, always medium heat. Do not fry your eggs on high heat because it gets, you dry them out that way. Basically, it takes all the moisture in it. Like, the best part about eggs is, like, you know, everyone's different, but like for me, like the best part about eggs is like when you have all the flavor of it and it's not just like a fucking dried out like thing like you would buy at or you get at like a hotel for like the complimentary breakfast at like some shitty hotel. Like the perfect egg for me is like, I don't know why I'm saying it like the egg. The perfect egg for me is, you know, I just fry it for a bit on one side, like this, a little bit longer. And then I flip it once, and then I turn the heat off right away after that. So that way it's not like sunny side up, but it's like over easy. I don't know what you call it, but that's the way I do it. And, we are going to show you in real time how to do this. Make sure you scrape the edges a little so that way it doesn't stick. I just go around the edges just to make sure it's not sticking. It's almost ready to be flipped. And then I'll go like this. Oh, it's sticking a little bit. It's almost there. It's almost there. We're almost there. And I usually would put salt and pepper and all that stuff, but this pan is already full of seasoned leftover residue from what I cooked earlier, so it's already got enough flavor. So here we go. Oh. That was an epic fail. Oh man, that was an epic fail. Usually that hasn't happened to me in a long fucking time, but it just happened. But either way, we still got it, you know, we still got it pretty decent. Alright, let's see. There we go. So that's pretty much done. I'm just gonna turn off the heat and then I'm gonna throw it in there. And look, you got breakfast. So basically now you just, you know, let's try this. All right, let's try this. Here we go. Get a little bit of everything here. It's a little Shishkabob. It's gonna be really hot. I don't want to burn my mouth. Oh, my egg fell off. Shit. All right. Fuck. All right, here we go. All right. Wow. I am getting good. Holy shit. I am getting good. I need to... That's a good idea because no one really does like breakfast shish kebabs. You never hear about that. Add that one to the cookbook. All right, everybody, it's novelty. I will be working on my cookbook. I want to release it within the next year sometime. But in the meantime, you know, I'm still gonna be putting out videos. I don't release the recipes to what I make, like in detail. But that is something I will be releasing. I'm actually gonna come up with a prototype. So I'm gonna come up with a free copy of, I'll just do like 5 recipes, and then you guys can, if enough people like it, then they are probably going to be willing to spend some money on, if I release 50 recipes and I sell the entire cookbook, 50 recipes for $10, that's 20 cents per recipe. So not even a quarter a recipe. And if you like it, I hope it's worth that 20 cents. I think I'm being pretty fair with the pricing, but let me know if you disagree. If you do, you're probably a little bit broke, or you're just cheap in general. But that's all I had to say for today. I hope everyone has a wonderful 4th of July, and be careful with those fireworks. Don't blow your hand off. It's novelty. Peace.